Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Ada. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about this opening range breakout strategy. Okay. So as you know, in my previous video, I've been already explained, how you can utilize my website for trade purpose, especially in Upstocks. Okay. So I'm utilizing this trade button. Okay. So I must say that if you didn't watch the video, please visit my Profit Ada channel and watch those videos, and you will get the idea what I'm talking about. Okay. So I must say that if you want to get this strategy which I am talking about, okay, especially I must say that I got an Excel order placement. Okay, so suppose if you got an CSV file for yourself, okay, you store the orders as I've been explained and you want to place the order. Okay, so you can visit my website which is like trade.profitadaweb.com. Okay, and this particular URL will be there where exactly you can visit my website. You can get in this website and can place your Excel orders. You can place top gainers and losers orders. Okay, you can place the OHL trades, and as of right now I am talking about the opening range breakout, which is also you can do. And one more thing which I have been done related to programmatic trading, as in I've been programmed in Python and especially came to my website and placed the order, which is DFA, okay, deterministic finite automata, which I've been done a playlist regarding this one which you can watch. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do this stuff. Before getting into this, I must say that prerequisites thing are required. Okay, you can avail this offer for free. All you have to do is you should have an account. So you need an Upstox. So I will talk about the prerequisite thing. All you have to do is you can visit my website, okay, www.profitadaweb.com. Their URL will be there. Exactly, you can visit once Upstox one click algo trade. Okay, and just click this open account. Okay, if you visit this, and page will be there where exactly you can just set the email, required form, which will be you have to give the mobile number and just sign up with the mobile number. Okay, so some steps will be there, just follow them. Okay, and it will be an easy process to open an account if you got Aadhaar and PAN card. Okay, so after this, say suppose if you already have an account, okay, so this is you can avail for free. You need to trade with this thing, okay, especially whenever you are registering with this link, okay, especially you are registering with email ID and mobile number. So I get to know that you are the person exactly registered under my account. Okay, so what happens, you can avail this offer for free. And suppose you already got an account, what you can do is you can visit one more tab which I will say as one click algo trade services. Okay, and here what you can do is you can utilize this PayU money. Just pay me 2000 rupees, okay, and give this details. Especially you have to give these details first, and just go with the pay now. Okay, pay with any kind of a services which you want to go with any third party applications for paying as an transfer. Okay, so I must say you can utilize this stuff, or otherwise you can visit my WhatsApp, which is link in there, and you can ask me for that is personal UPI ID which I can allot, and you can pay me 2000 rupees and you can avail this service for a month. Okay, so do utilize, see that what can be done. Now, one more thing is there in Upstocks, as they are not giving the API for trading purpose, we are utilizing this as a button, especially they have been allotted some button. So suppose if you register under my referral, I can help you to get an API for trading purpose as well, which have been done already video regarding the Upstocks API, which you can utilize. Okay, so if you utilize the service in continuity, there won't be any problem regarding the API. Okay, and if you don't have any API, if you are already registered, you can come to my website, pay me 2000 rupees and utilize this service for 1 month. Okay, and this is one of the best. In 2000 rupees I'm sure you can make profit. This is what you can utilize as for trading purpose, as well as scanner also. If you get in trading, you supposed to checking what stock should I get in with these things, and where I should go on for this, what is gap up and gap down, and what are the top gainers and losers I should choose. Okay, so you definitely can utilize this stuff. So please go ahead and can follow these steps as I said. Okay, and I've been already done video regarding this stuff, and one more video which I've been done. So suppose if you want to take it out stuff offline, and if you want to do it via Python, okay, you need to follow some process, like placing orders through the Excel. It will be very much easy, only like if you get in with these things. Okay, so regarding DFA, I've been done a video where I've been explained like how you can through you can code some stuff in Python. You just generate some of logics and can place the order, so you can utilize. So this is one of the videos there. So DFA, theory of computation, logics to place order, bulk orders. Okay, so that's how you can go. Okay, so if you just visit if you go for these things, and URL will be there where exactly you can visit. Just utilize Python. Okay, so I've been done explanation regarding this automata theory, so please do watch videos. You can utilize that logics for placing orders, and a number of things which will be coming. So as of now, for getting an account under my referral, getting the API as well as trading in this trade button. Okay, so it will be like in 2000 rupees, or having an account under my referral is worth. Okay, so you can definitely utilize. Okay, and further things will be upcoming. So if you already experience this stuff, okay, it will be very much easy to continue further. Okay, so I've been done some explanation how you can get the DFA, NFA. Okay, a beautiful explanation is there, and at the same as I've been already talked about, this is a semi-automated process. So how you can generate the signals and can get generate the CSV file. Okay, if you generated the CSV file, just go with it and place your orders. So this is main which you can try to give a chance. Okay, see to that what can be done. Okay, so either ways are there. Go with the online, offline. Okay, utilize as a scanner. So it's up to you. Okay, so as I'm talking about, okay, so this is how you can go. So you have to give the details. So email address and password will be there, which will be allotted by us. Okay, so you have to, the email address, either you paid me 2000 rupees will be there. Okay, otherwise you registered with Upstox, so I'll get over there. Okay, so that's how you will get the email address. So email address you have to give, password which will be allotted by us, which will be in a random. Just give it, enter, and utilize these trades. Okay, so I'll get in page with my email address and password, and I'll show you how you can go. Okay, so now what happens, we are in our main page regarding this Upstox. I've been kept for Upstox. Okay, because I didn't get the time, so that's the reason I've been busy with other projects. That's the reason I didn't get the time to allot for other brokers as well. As of now, it is only for the Upstox. Okay, so I must say that how you can get this stuff. Okay, and you can utilize this scanner for as well. Okay, so try to give chance for this stuff. Okay, try to utilize and see to that how it can be done. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding, you can visit to my WhatsApp, and I'll clear each and everything to you. Okay, so each and every pre-fill input will be there where exactly you can go. So if you got any CSV file or say Excel file which we can comma separated values, so CSV files will be there. Okay, so just browse and just allot them. Okay, and just try to place orders. Okay, so you just click on that one, so CSV orders get placed when you go for the submit query. Okay, which have been done in my videos, which you can watch. Okay, so it is already videos are there, so I must say that go for it. Okay, and try to see what can be done. Okay, so I've been done explanation regarding this one, so I'll give a playlist as well. Okay, so see that how you can utilize. Okay, so format is already there, so just go with the format, follow the format, prepare an Excel files, CSV files via Python or by input or by giving input, and come here, just place it, and you can place in one click. So this is what I call as in one click algo trade services. So levels will be there which you can check and can allot. Now what happens, bullish stocks, stop gainers will be there. So the terms and conditions. So I've been already explained in my videos. There must be reasons NSE allowed some like top gainers, like these are the stocks which like for the reasons will gonna perform otherwise event or some calculation or some this and that stuff. So like they're definitely gonna give top gainers. So this is our list of our top gainers. So it is in bullish top gainers. Now how you can trade, just click on this one, and what you have to do is like you have to give your credentials here. Okay, just give the credentials and you can like place your orders. Okay, so it will be very much simple. Pre-filled orders will be there. So this is my simple market orders for bullish and bearish. Okay, and then we will get with our OHS stocks. Now what we're gonna do is like we will like adding filter one by one. So we got, say suppose we got bullish stocks. Now what happens, we need to check with our OHL as well, okay, whether it is standing for OHL same or not. Okay, so I'm like whatever bullish stocks I got, I filter it out more, like checking with open equals low. Okay, especially should be in a bullish stocks, like it is in already in a buy trend. So if I say NTPC, it means it is in bullish itself. Okay, so NTPC, I think here NTPC is there, so it is available in OHL as well. Okay, now you can like at 9:15 9:16 you can come to here. Okay, around 9:16 I must say that you can get this stuff. Okay, so just get in 9:16, and after that what happens, several things will be allotted for you. Okay, so same time you can trade for this stuff, and same time at 9:16. So this is like morning routine will be there at morning hours. So suppose if you are like want to get which is top gainers and top losers, and if you already prepared an CSV file for yourself, you want to place the orders, EMA orders, you also can like get in and can fill this orders through CSV. Then if you're getting at morning market hours after 9:15, these things will be available, especially like top gainers and losers, and OHL stocks will be there. So you can come to here and check what is like which is according to the OHL, this gap up and gap down will be there. So from this filter, this is also you can utilize. So just click on this one and just click, and you are good to trade. And further I've been added one more thing, like around like after 10 minutes I have my own experience regarding this trading this UAD data which is in terminal especially. Okay, I'm not getting with the candle data, especially I'm getting with the UAD data which you have been seeing your terminal. Now what happens, last prices will be there, open, high, low, close. Now what happens, open equals high, especially like in this market, if you are going with the market order also, no, you will definitely gonna get good push. Now what happens, you can like can still remain till market hours, and you will get that orders to be seen in like in downside or upside, as well as in we talked about in bullish and bearish. Okay, so for a day you can retain this stuff, so that's the reason I'm choosing. Okay, even you can get with Python and with the API getting the data, you can do by yourself. Okay, with the OHLC data, like you've been converted your WebSocket to OHLC and then utilizing say precautionary whichever you experience better that you can do. Okay, you can come to and can utilize for trading purpose in Python by utilizing API as well. Upstox API is there. Okay, so you can avail at first, and if you are in continuous service, that is also you can go for it. Okay, who exactly discontinued with Upstox as regarding this API, they are not getting their API for utilization. Okay, that is also they can try as whoever opened an account under authorized person. Okay, that is also they can give a try, and maybe they get an API for utilization, just pay some amount and get in continuity and utilize their services. As suppose if we didn't get this one, I must say that if as a trader you can ask for the Upstox to give you the API and remove this kind of restrictions, not availing for for common person or say common traders. Okay, and talk with them and just tell them give it as per our utilization as monthly services, which on and off, we should not if some person don't want to get in continuity service of their API. So I must say that if they don't want to utilize, so monthly services will be better for them. Okay, so that is also you can request, please see to that. And we exactly not looking for that thing right now, we are looking for one-click algo trade services. So I think you can utilize their trade button, which you can visit this Profit Radar channel, and I've been already done explanations. Okay, so you can get in with this like trade button. So Upstox trade button pass JSON. So few videos are there, please do watch. So from your own Python and you can create this trade button in HTML. Okay, and especially HTML and JavaScript will be there, which you can utilize. If you know HTML and JavaScript, please do utilize this trade button and trade for yourself. Okay, and that is also can be done in Python as well, which have been explained. Okay, so I'm keeping a transparency, I'm not keeping any hidden these things, but when you're gonna do this, it will definitely gonna take a lot of time. So okay, so instead of that, what you can do, so suppose if you don't want to get in some programming stuff and you directly want to trade, you can utilize these services. Okay, especially in a Python, when you want to program some logics, and if you want to get this done and prepare a CSV file for yourself, okay, that is also I'm gonna do, and that is also can be done. Okay, so only be a CSV file which you need to prepare, need not to get with HTML, JavaScript and so many other things. Okay, so if you follow some format, it will be very much easy to operate this stuff. Now what happens, we got our stocks. Right now what happened, open equals high and open equals low we got. Now what happens, same vice versa we will definitely gonna do. Okay, so whatever we got the bearish stocks, now what happens, I need to check. So suppose how I'm gonna trading this which stocks, open equals high, then I'm definitely getting with open equals low if it is there, and the stocks are in buy. Okay, means top gainers, I'm definitely getting with that one. So OC orders will be there, where exactly you can place the order. So stop loss and target will be there, so 0.3 0.5% calculations will be there. Same I'm gonna follow, vice versa. What happens, sometimes this OHL won't stuck to their point. Now what happens, say suppose NTPC is there, now NTPC won't follow that kind of thing. Say bullish, say what happens, your bullish stocks may get in bearish. Okay, if NTPC didn't stay at the time, maybe this you recorded at particular time, but after 10 minutes exactly each and everything get changed. The gap up and gap down, exactly whatever you are seeing the stocks in the scanner, okay, maybe get in reversal. So for the reversal purpose, I'm just in for ORB. So I'm checking the range breakout, opening range breakout, which I'm talking about, and after 10 minutes you can check in this. If you're checking the terminal, what happens is, suppose if whenever you see the stocks in gap up and gap down, especially bullish and bearish, considering this open equals high and open equals low, then suddenly what happens, it gets in reversal. Now after 10 minutes you should come and check which stocks I should go for, further placing orders, as in for whether I can stick for a day or not. Okay, so this is kind of a momentum trading which I am utilizing. Okay, especially at morning hours. So up to if you get with around before the afternoon, okay, if you place these orders, and especially good movements will be there. Okay, so you can cash it out this stuff. Okay, so some percentage wise calculation where I've been done, where I've been placed the OC orders, and especially whatever you choose the trade, it definitely gonna stay. So you can choose whether it is top gainers and losers, especially allotted some time for your trading purposes, and if you stick to that part, you will definitely in a profit. Now one more thing is this, say suppose range breakout is there and vice versa. Say suppose my low is broken. Okay, open equals low didn't stayed, open equals high didn't stayed. So what I need to do is I need to trade this in as a range breakout. Okay, and range breakout will be there, means this stocks will definitely gonna fall a little bit, this stocks will definitely gonna go up a little bit. So in bullish, what we gonna do is we will check our stocks. Okay, so if it is our high is broken, okay, especially this high is broken, so this was in bearish stocks. Now what happens, this comes in a bullish stocks, bullish opening range breakout stocks. Okay, so you can buy this stocks right now. Okay, especially you can buy this, and some percentage wise you can book the target. Okay, so you can utilize same as you some only few stocks will be get in range breakout. Okay, and not every stocks. Okay, so suppose only here 6 stocks were there, but only I got 4 stocks as in breakout. Okay, so these stocks which is not broken can be stayed, and which is not broken can stay more. So you can utilize this as for scanner for if you want to utilize for positional trade or intraday, if you want to check whether that stocks belong to this category or not. Okay, so this is a wonderful thing. Okay, so for that you need to have an Upstox trading account. Okay, and how you can utilize I've been already explained. Now if you want to trade, just say trade with Upstox. Just click these things, just fill the details. Okay, so I'm going to fill my details and I'm going to show you. Okay, so I've been logged in. So this is like pop-up will be there. Okay, so a window will be there where exactly stocks will be there, and as you see in website, in Upstox website, so this the way will be there. So as you know, this pre-filled data will be there with the target and stop loss. So this is kind of a bracket order, or we say OC order. Okay, so which you can utilize for your trading purpose, or just you have to say just place order. Okay, and if the market is there, since the market is not available, so that's the reason I'm unable to place order. But if the market is there, we're definitely gonna place the orders for sure. Just a single click. Okay, just give the conditions. If you already just fill the details and open, and these details whichever you trade will be in your broker app, whether it is like in a website or Upstox. Okay, so app will be there where exactly you can get, so stocks will be listed. Now you can trail the sell, you can go with the trailing text or anything which you want to add, modify, you want to delete something, which you can do it from your app. Okay, website, you can do anything whichever you want. Okay, so this is how you can place the orders, same as with these things. Now what happens is, suppose if I'm talking about a bullish ORB stocks, I'm definitely gonna checking with the high, so my open will be there, and if I high, what happens, say my open should be less than high, and whatever my bullish especially stocks will be there which have been traded earlier in a sell wise, I need to change as in buy. Okay, so previously it was in sell, so that's why I'm getting buy. Same as I do with bearish, I'm checking my open greater with the low. Okay, because open is a stationary, fix, as we see in our candle as well. So open and close are fixed things, we can say. In between high low is happened. Okay, so what happens, I just check with that one. Now what happens in between, wherever it is open, whether it can be equivalent or low, and same vice versa. Say it was previously it was in bullish, but after 10 minutes what happens, it gets in bearish, means or open less than low, and it was in buy, so we are getting in sell side, and we placed a target and stop loss as per calculated. Our limit price will be there where you can get. Okay, so now what happens, at 136 maybe you bought it, but it went 134, means breaking its low. Okay, so we are getting in a sell side, because definitely we'll get some percentage profit for this. So just get with these things. If you already logged in, you will get this stuff. Okay, just place order. Otherwise you can modify, if you want to modify the quantity. Okay, and if you want to say I want to get with this 2 quantity or 5 quantity, that is also can be done. And stop loss, buy stop loss with the ticker size, you can go and can place the order. Okay, and even if you want to modify, that is also can be done. Okay, so just say 2 quantity. Okay, and if you want to trail, that is also can be done, just say done. Okay, and then after modifying, say I got the quantity 2, just place the order, and if the market hours are there, you will definitely gonna your order get placed. Okay, so I must say that utilize, and how to utilize this stuff. Okay, if you got any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.